Shear walls are used to resist the horizontal loads produced by wind or seismic action in tall buildings. Alternatively, a lift shaft or a service duct is used as the main horizontal load-carrying member. This is known as a core wall. In Robot Structural Analysis Professional, you can define a core wall by grouping walls. A shear wall or core wall may be analyzed as a very large vertical cantilevered beam. With the 2021 release, you can also define the primarily local x-axis direction for a core wall. The vector definition is a projection to the xy plane. You can then visualize the local coordinate axes for the defined core walls. Once the structural analysis has been performed, additional results can be obtained for the core walls as reduced forces and moments along the vertical axis of the gravity center of the core wall section. The results of the reduced forces for the core walls are available in the form of diagrams and tables. Thanks to these improvements, you can explore results in local axis, as well as display core wall results for individual walls.